सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अष्टसप्तत्युत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षा 378th क्लास टुडे। स्मरन्ति भवन्तः गतकक्षायां चतुर्त्रिंशः श्लोकाः 34तमः श्लोकः अपि पठितः अस्माभिः। संक्षेपरामायणमिति अस्माभिः पठ्यमानमस्ति। इदानीं जानन्ति भवन्तः 100 श्लोकेषु 34 श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं पठिताः, सविस्तरं पठिताः अनेन पुस्तकसाहाय्येन। गतकक्षायां कुत्र वयं स्थापितवन्तः? पदार्थः इति अन्वयार्थः पठितः। पदार्थः इति पृष्ठसङ्ख्या वर्तते 12,100 पृष्ठसङ्ख्या, 100तमी पृष्ठसङ्ख्या। पदार्थः पदं तस्मिन् गते दशरथे स्वर्गं प्राप्ते इति। तस्मिन् नाम दशरथे इति। यु आर देयर न? वसिष्ठ प्रमुखैः प्रधानैः द्विजैः राज्याय राज नियुज्यमानः महाबलः भरतः पुत्रः राज्यं राजसिंहासनं। न इति पदस्य अर्थः नो अपि भवति। नो इति आङ्ग्लपदं न संस्कृते वर्तते। देयर इज अ वर्ड exactly equivalent to our English no. No, both are negative. So remember I told you long back. Agnistrupyati no kastaihi. Agnihi kastaihi no trupyati. Na trupyati iti. So na padasya samskrute artah न केवलं न परन्तु नो अपि। एतद् जानन्तु भवन्तः। ऐच्छत् अवाञ्छत् नाम अवाञ्छत्। वाञ्छति इति लटि रूपम्। in the present tense it is वाञ्छति, in the लङ् प्रयोग अवाञ्छति। Similarly ऐच्छत् is present tense what? Lat. What is the present tense? This is past tense ऐच्छत्. Present tense of this Srinivas इच्छति. Ichchati only becomes Ichcha dhatu is there. Any verb which begins with a vowel, a will come first. A plus E is equal to A, and then Vriddhi takes place. Aichchati. Next, tu. Apitu, like that. Ramapada prasadakaha. Ramacharananu. Then Saha. Saha nama atra Bharataha. Sandarbhe Veeraha. Parakrami, Vanam, Kananam, Jagama. This is the lit Jagama, which means Agachat Gatavan. So, evam padarthaha santi. Tatra bhavartham patitva agresaramaha.
Dasharathe swargam gate vasishta pradhanaihi brahmanaihi rajasimhasanaya anumoditopi mahaparakrami bharataha rajyam na aicchat apitu Sahavirah Ramam Prasadayitum Vanam Agachat.
Dasharathe Swargam Gate Sati. When Dasharatha had gone to the heaven, joined the heavens, Vasishta Pradhanihi Brahmanaihi, by the learned scholars beginning with Vasishta and the others, Rajasimhasanaya, for the throne of that kingdom, Anumoditaha api, though accepted, agreed to by Vasishta and other great sages, Anumoditaha api, Angikrutaha api, Mahaparakrami, Balavan, Tatra, Kahapadam, Kaha Shabdaha Prayuktaha, Mahabalaha iti, Mahabalaha Mahaparakrami, Bharataha, Rajyam na aicchat, na ichchati sma, apitu, kintu, सह वीरः भरतः रामं प्रसादयितुं रामं परावर्तयितुं वनात् परावर्तयितुं वनम् अगच्छत्. He went to the forest to please Rama and to make him return to the Ayodhya capital. So, though being urged to accept the throne by the Brahmanas headed by sage Vasishtha. Okay, English translation is fine. Nidarsanam, Vyakaranamsha. Anything, Srinivas? Pramukhair Dvijaihi Visargasanti. Niyujjamano Rajyaya. Niyujjamano. Punaha Visargasanti. Naichat, na plus aichat. Naichat. Ka sandhi, Vriddhi sandhi. Naichat. Viro Rama Prasada Padakaha. Rama Pada Prasadakaha. Viraha iti. Rama Pada Prasadaka Visargasanti. So, Sarvatra Trayah Visargasandayah Ekaha Vriddhi sandhi vartate. Samasadvayamatra dattamasti. Vasishthaha प्रमुखः येषां ते वसिष्ठ प्रमुखैः इति समस्त पदस्य विग्रह वाक्यम एवं भवति. वसिष्ठः प्रमुखः येषां ते वसिष्ठ प्रमुखाः इति बहुव्रीहि समासः. तैः वसिष्ठ प्रमुखैः इति तस्य अवगमनम् एवं भवेत्. देन् राम पाद प्रसादकः रीड Padau. This is firstly Shashti Tatpuruša. Ramasya Padau, Ramapadau. Prasadakaha. Prasadakaha. Again Shashti Tatpuruša. Ramapadayoho Prasadaka. The one who pleader, you can say the pleader at the feet of Rama's feet. At the feet of Rama. The pleader, the pacifier. Prasadaka could be pacifier. Pacifier at the feet of Rama. Then one more. Mahabalaha. Mahad Yasya Saha. This is also Bahuri. Mahat Balam Yasya Saha. The one Saha, he, Yasya, who has got Balam. What kind of Balam? Mahat Balam, great strength. The one who has got the great strength, mighty. So Bahuri. Ga Amshaha Krudanta Rupa. Iti prasadaka. This is mul. Aka is adesha. Krit suffix. Prasadayati iti prasadakaha. From mul, aka is added. Adesha. Prasad. Aka is there in the word prasadakaha. Niyujya manaha. Ni iti upasarga. Yujyati dhatuhu. Ya karmani, that is in passive construction we take ya. Karmani, Shanach Pratyantha, Karmani Prayoga, Atha Niyujjama, being appointed. Karakam, one Karaka. You know, Karaka means the relation between the noun and the verb. Rajyaya, Kartum. That is a sutra. Kriyarthopapadasya cha karmani sthaninaha iti chaturthi. So by this rule, it is applicable. Rajyaya means Rajyam Kartum, for ruling the country. Rajyaya. Now I say Pathanaya Gacchami, meaning Patitum Gacchami. What does that mean? Pathanaya Gacchami. Aham Vidyalayam Samskritam Patitum Gacchami ityasya vakyasya artheva aham Samskrita Patanaya Gacchami. Then you have Kriyarthopadasya. Okay, Avadheyam Karmani Shanachaha Vishaye. That is Karmani in the passive construction, Shanach, active participle. What is that? Niyujjamanaha, just observe it. Niyujjamanaha. Niyujjamanaha is in passive with Shanach Pratyanta. That is to be observed for the time being. Then we go to Abhyasa, Ashtadashamaha Abhyasa. Based on 33rd and off and 34th, 1.5 sloka. Visheshanam Visheshyena Yojayata. Join the adjective with the noun. Better, not qualificand, what the book says. Join the adjective with the noun. Gate tasmin. Okay, fine. महाबलः
सः भरतः
भरतः महाबलः भरतः वसिष्ठप्रमुखैः
विजयी
द्विजैः रामपादप्रसादकः वीरः सः भरतः वेरी सिंपल गते तस्मिन् महाबलः भरतः वसिष्ठप्रमुखैः द्विजैः रामपादप्रसादकः वीरः सः भरतः ओके द्वितीय अंशः उचितेन कर्मपदेन योजयत कर्मपद मीन्स ऑब्जेक्टिव द्वितीय ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट वॉट एवर इट इज दशरथे गति स्वर्गम व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज डेस्टिनेशन हियर दशरथे गति कुत्र गति स्वर्गम गति सति सो वन इज डन now you take bharatah jagama vanam very so bharata went to the forest bharatah na aichat kim na aichat rajyam na aichat prasadakah oh this is very very simple so our readers should be very happy that simple exercises are given dasharathe gate swargam bharatah jagama vanam bharatah na aichat rajyam prasadakah rama padayoh prasadakah iti tritiya amshah यथोदाहरणं वाक्यानि परिवर्तय नाउ यू चेंज एज पर द डायरेक्शन गिवन हियर एग्जांपल रीड श्रीनिवास
वसिष्ठ प्रमुखैः विजयैः राज्याय भरतः नियुज्यते
सो दिस इज द मेन सेंटेंस व्हिच इज चेंज्ड लाइक दिस
वसिष्ठ प्रमुखैः विजयैः राज्याय नियुज्यमानः भरतः
सो वन इज सिंपल द फर्स्ट वन इज सिंपल पैसिव कंस्ट्रक्शन नियोज्यते इज अपॉइंटेड व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन चेंज्ड नियोज्यते is simple passive in passive shanach pratyant that is why observation is made in the previous avadheyam is there na karmani shanachah prayogah vishaya so how passive construction is further derived in participle active participle that is shanach okay niyojyate everything is same na vasishta pramukaihi same in the second rajyaya dvijaihi only dvijaihi rajyaya everything is same niyojyate is changed to niyujyamanah bharatah that's it so in the same manner he wants you to do this okay first one
शिष्यैः वेदाः पठ्यन्ते
so what do you understand from this first try to understand this statement शिष्यैः by the students
वेदाः
Vedah, the Vedas, Pathyante are studied. In what voice it is? Is it active or passive voice? Passive voice. So make it active voice. Kartari prayoga. Sishyaha. Then you bring Sishyaihi into Prathama. Sishyaha. Veda to Dvitiya. Vedan. Because this is the Tritiya Bahuvachana, it goes to Dvitiya Bahuvachana. If it is Ekavachana, then you put it in Ekavachana. So if supposing Sishyaihi Vedaha Patyate, let us suppose the sentence is Sishyaihi Vedaha Ekaha Eva Vedaha Patyate, then we make it Sishyaha Vedam Pathanti. Vedam Pathanti. So active voice of this sentence is Sishyaha Vedan Pathanti. Same sentence in passive construction, Karmani Prayoga. शिष्यैहि वेदाः पठ्यन्ते Vedas are studied by the students. Students study the Vedas. Now the same thing we have to put in that participle called shanach, of course in passive construction. Passivity with shanach pratyanta. Shishyaihi stands same, Vedaha stands same, Pathyamanaha santi. Is there?
Yes.
Understood, not there. Patyamanaha santi is implied, or that means the Vedas are being studied by the students. Is there no difference? The Vedas are studied by the students. First statement says Shishyaihi Vedaha Patyante. Vedas are studied by the students. In the second statement, the Vedas are being studied by the students. Shishyaihi Vedaha Pathyamanaha. Understood is Santi Bhavanti. Understood now?
Yes.
Yeah, you can do next.
आचार्यैः शिष्याः उपदिश्यन्ते.
That means students are instructed by the teachers. Make it active. It is better. Good exercise now. Because you will forget otherwise. Active voice and passive. You put Acharya in Prathama.
आचार्याः
Shishyan Upadishanti. Acharyaः Shishyan Upadishanti iti kartari prayoge. Idanim vayam shanachi kurmah. Acharyaihi Shishyaः stands same. Upadishyamanaः santi implied. Upadishyamanaः, these students are being instructed by the teachers. You got the? Yes. Third, 4.
भक्तैः
Vishnu archyate, meaning Vishnu is worshipped by the devotees. Make it active voice. Bhaktaha
विष्णुम् अर्च्यते.
archanti. Archanti. Why you have brought here Bhaktaha is subject na in active voice. Bahuvachanam. Bhaktaha Vishnum archanti. Same sentence what is given here is Bhaktaihi Vishnuhu archyate. No, first word. Passive. Bhaktaihi Vishnuhu archyate. Vishnu is worshipped by devotees. Now next. Bhaktaihi Vishnuhu archya manaha asti. No, Vishnu is ekavachana. Bhaktaihi archyamanaha Vishnuhu. Archyate is simple, ekavachana. Vishnu is also, subject is also ekavachana, not archyante. Bhaktaihi archyamanaha Vishnuhu. The Vishnu who is being worshipped by the devotees. The Vishnu who is being worshipped by this. Okay, 4, 5.
विद्यार्थिभिः
Saraswati stuyate. Vidyarthinaha Saraswatim stuvanti. This is active voice. Vidyarthinaha Saraswatim. What is the Shabda? Saraswati Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Vidyarthin Shabda Nakaranta. Vidyarthi, Vidyarthinau, Vidyarthinaha. This is Trutiya Bhagavachana, what is given in the book. Vidyarthinaha Saraswatim stuvanti. The same is given here. Vidyarthibhihi Saraswati stuyate. Saraswati is praised by the students. Okay? Now take the next. Vidyarthibhihi Saraswati stuya mana. Why? Because Strilinga. So far we have done manaha, etc. But here is mana. Vidyarthibhihi stuyamana Saraswati. The Saraswati who is being praised by the students. Next, sixth. Sita,
रामेण परिणीयते.
meaning Sita is married by Rama. Rama marries Sita. Active voice. Ramaha Sitam kim karoti? Parinayati. Ramaha Sitam parinayati. Sita Ramena pariniyate. No. Sita Ramena pariniyamana Sita. Pariniyamana Sita. Yes. Then 7. Gita.
सर्वैः गीयते.
Sita Gita is coming. Huh? Like a film Sita or Gita. Huh? Gita Sarvaihi Giyate. Can you make it active voice, Srinivas? Active voice. Kartari Prayoga. Bring Sarvaihi to Prathama, Ekavachana, Bahuvachana.
सर्वाः.
No. Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarve. Sarvam, Sarvau, Sarvan. Sarvena, Sarvabhyam, Sarvaihi. Trutiya Bahuvachanam. Sarve. Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarve. Prathama Bahuvachanam. Sarva Shabda, Sarvanama Shabda it is. It is Sarvanama Shabda, right? Sarve, now put Gita in Dvitiya Ekavachana.
गीतां
Gitam, kim kurvanti?
गायन्ति
Gayanti, that's it. Sarve Gitam Gayanti. Gita Sarvaihi Giyati. Then Sarvaihi Giyamana Gita. Sarvaihi Giyamana. We will write this. Giyamana Sita. I'm sorry, Gita. Sita Gita is confusing me also. Okay. 8th. Srinivas.
it will be Srilinga only, sir. गीयमाना
Oh, why not? Gita is Strilinga Shabda. Gita word is Strilinga. Understand? Bhagavad Gita. It is also a Upanishad, therefore it is Strilinga also. Gita is also the source of all the Upanishads. Upanishads, what do you read at the end? Upanishadam. Every chapter ending, you get it. Upanishad. Okay.
उपनिषत्सु
So, what is Sarvaihi Giyamana Gita? 8th. Rastram
शस्त्रेण
Rakshati. A country is protected by weapon. Okay? Weaponry or weapons. Shastra is only singular here, but weapon. A country is protected by the weapon. So, if you make it active voice, Shastrena Rastram Rakshanti, Rakshati, whatever. Shastrena stands same, Rastram Rakshanti, Sainikaha, understood, okay? Now, Shastrena, what is the subject here, Srinivas?
राष्ट्रं
Rastram. So, Rastram is Napumsaka. So, Shastrena Rakshya Manam Rastram. A country which is being protected by weapon. Sorry. Shastrena Rakshyamanam Rastram. Right? 9th. Vishnu.
लक्ष्म्या सेव्यते
Meaning, Vishnu is served by Lakshmi. Lakshmi serves Vishnu. Make it active voice.
लक्ष्मी
Lakshmi
लक्ष्मी विष्णु
Sevate. Sevate. This is Atmanepada. Lakshmi Vishnum Sevate. Lakshmya Vishnu Lakshmya Sevyate. Next step. Lakshmya Sevyamanaha Vishnu. Vishnu who is being, the Vishnu who is being served by Lakshmi. And the last one.
शिवेन जगत् संह्रियते
Yes. That means Jagat, the world, Samhriyate is destroyed by Shiva. Shiva is Pralayakaraka. That portfolio is given to him now. Vishnu Sthiti, Brahma Srushti, Shiva Laya. So, Shivena Jagat Kim Kriyate? Samhriyate. Nashyati. So, active voice Shiva Jagat Jagat only. Jagat Samharati. Just simple Samharati. Shiva Jagat Samharati. Now, Shivena Samhriyamanam Jagat. Samhriyamanam. Passive. Shanach. Hriyamanam Jagat. The world which is being destroyed by Shiva. Understand? Which is being, that is how you understand. Any doubt? Because Jagat is Napumsaka. Jagat is Napumsaka. Jagat Jagati Jaganti. Jagat Jagati Jaganti. Jagata Jagadbhyam Jagadbhihi. Jagate Jagata Jagataha Jagati. Finally, Saptami Eko Jagati. Jagatoho Jagatsu. Jagat Takaranta Napumsakalinga Jagat Shabda. Jagat means Jayate Gachati. That which is born and also goes. That is called. Now we have to write these answers are very important. Tell me, Srinivas. Abhyasa?
Egypt. Part 3. Small Roman T. शिष्यैः.
Oh, we are writing answer?
Yes, sir. पठ्यमानाः. But that is not required. शिष्य already given, sir. शिष्यैः.
Not here.
Dash. पठ्यमानाः. Dash. पठ्यमानाः.
Dash.
आचार्यैः. आदिश्यमानाः.
Adishya.
आदिश्यमानाः शिष्याः.
Four.
भक्तैः. Dash. अर्च्यमानः.
Archya.
अर्च्यमानः विष्णुः.
Archya Manaha.
विद्यार्थिभिः स्तूयमाना सरस्वती.
Next.
सीता रामेण परिणीयमाना सीता. परिणीयमाना सीता.
7.
सर्वैः गीयमाना
Gita. Yeah.
शस्त्रेण रक्ष्यमाणं राष्ट्रम्. रक्ष्यमाणं. लक्ष्म्या
Yes.
सेव्यमानः
Vishnu. Sevyama. One more. Tell me.
शिवेन number 10.
10 I will write.
शिवेन संप्रियमाणं.
Shivena is not necessary, no?
संप्रियमाणं. प्रियमाणं.
Jagat.
मानं सर.
Manam only.
शिष्यैः पठ्यमानाः वेदाः. आचार्यैः आदिश्यमानाः शिष्याः. भक्तैः अर्च्यमानः विष्णुः. विद्यार्थिभिः स्तूयमाना सरस्वती. रामेण परिणीयमाना सीता. सर्वैः गीयमाना गीता. शस्त्रेण रक्ष्यमाणं राष्ट्रं. लक्ष्म्या सेव्यमानः विष्णुः. शिवेन संह्रियमाणं जगत्.
Acha, here Manam may come. That's a problem. Rakshyamanam, Samrhyamanam, because of Ra. Yeah. Yeah, next. Let them see for a while. So this is how the passive shanach. That is why a note is already provided, to be careful about this. So we have done here active voice, passive continuous voice, can say. That is, continuity is there. Way. दशवाक्यानि वस्तुतः परन्तु नववाक्यानि एव एकं तत्र उदाहरणत्वेन दत्तमस्ति. सो चतुर्थांशः श्रीनिवास प्रश्नोत्तरं यथोचितं योजयत. नाउ यू जॉइन क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर.
द्विजेषु प्रमुखः कः वसिष्ठः?
भरतः किं न ऐच्छत्.
राज्यं.
वेरी सिंपल. घ. ओके. 3 रामपाद कः. भरतः. दैट इज का आल्सो. कः इज का आंसर. कः इज राइट अप का. 4 भरतः.
कुत्र जगाम वनं?
Very why he is giving so simple. Acha, he wants to encourage you all. Okay. Bharatah kimartham vanam jagama. Why did Bharata go to the forest?
Ramam
Prasadayitum. So cha. And the last one, Bharatah kasmai nijyamanaha. Rajyaya. So very rapidly, Bharatah kim na aichat gha. Rama pada prasadakah kah ka. Bharatah kutra jagama vanam iti kha. 5th one, Bharatah kimartham vanam jagama. Why did Bharata go to the forest? Cha. Ramam prasadayitum, to please Rama. And finally, Bharatah kasmai nijyamanaha rajyaya. So this is very simple. Panchama amshaha yathochitam yojata. Now again match the following appropriately. Nijyamanaha. Oh, grammatical points here. What is nijamana? Karmani in the passive construction. Shanajantam rupam. Shanach, active participle. Passive active participle it is. Okay. Aichat, what is it? A little test for you. Lagvi pariksha. Srinivasasya krute. Lagvi pariksha. So far you have enjoyed small tests. Aichat. Very good. Aichat is kartari, active voice, lung, past tense, prathama purusha, ekavachanam, third person singular. I'm sorry. That is it. Aichat is that. So 2 matches with ka, right? 2 ka. 3 vasishtha pramukaihi. Bahuvrihi samasa. We have already seen that. So that is gna. Then 4 tasmin gati. Sati saptami. We have been repeatedly telling just across. The answer is tasmin gati sati saptami. Jagama. Prathama purusha ekavachan. This is kartari, active voice, no doubt, but lit, perfect tense, third person singular number, and ka. I will rapidly sum up. 1 is there, 2 ka, 3 gna, 4 gha, and 5 kha. With a little attention you can solve this test. And the last one, 6th amsha, pradattan shabdan prayujya katichana vakyani. Now creativity. Students' creativity. So what is the first one? Ka ni yuj. You are supposed to make kartari, lati, karmani, shanachi. So that means you make a sentence with ni upasarga yuj dhatu in active voice, present tense. Kartari means active voice, lati means present tense, and also passive voice, karmani, and shanachi, and also using shanach. What we have just seen 10 sentences earlier. So try, Srinivas. First you try kartari, lati, present tense, active voice you try, then I will help you. Guruhu Shishya, I am giving the subject. Oh, Yuju Dhatu is difficult to prove. Yuju we have not learnt its usage much. it becomes niyungte, atmanepada. Yuja is atmanepada. Yuja. Niyungte instructs. So now you,
Yeah.
Guruhu.
Let I once. अहं सः पुरुषः कार्यालये निरीक्ष्यमाणः.
Aham saha purusha. Why aham saha? What do you want to say in English?
I have appointed him in the
It is not aham saha. Saha purushaha maya niyujyamanaha asti. Maya. You that passivity. No, I wanted you to make active voice. Guru Shishya using niyungte. I will give you one. Guruhu Sishyam Pathanartam Niyungte. Samskrita Pathanartam Niyungte. Okay? Urges, orders, instructs. Niyuja means orders, urges, encourages. These meanings are there. Guruhu Sishyam Samskrita Pathanartam Niyungte. That is Kartari Lati example. In the Niyungte, Yungte, that is active voice, present tense, fulfilling the first half of this requirement. You can make another one. Like father instructs son to read maths or history, something, anything like that. Pita, putram,
गणितशास्त्रं
पठितुं गणितशास्त्र पठनार्थं नियुङ्क्ते. पिता पुत्रं गणितशास्त्रं पठनार्थं और गणितं पठितुं नियुङ्क्ते. गणितं पठितुं, you can also use tumunanta, which means the same thing. पठनार्थं नियुङ्क्ते. Fine. That is kartari lati is over. Now you have to take karmani shanachi. Niyujyamana. That is. Student being instructed by the Guru studies the Veda. Let us suppose the student studies the Veda being instructed by the Guru, teacher. Guruna niyujyamanaha shishyaha. Guruna niyujyamanaha shishyaha vedam patati. Adite, vedam adite. Guruna niyujyamanaha shishyaha vyakaranam patati. Guruna niyujyamanaha chhatraha vyakaranam patati. Okay? That is passive, simple, karmani prayoga. And also shanachi is also. Shanachi, karmani, both are there. Anyone you can try? In Strilinga, niyujyamana. Daughter being urged by mother, ordered by mother, learns something, sangeetam. Oh, no. Matru Shabda, not Mataya. How you forget Matru Shabda is Rukaranta, not Mataya. It is not Kanya Shabda. Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. Mataram, Matarau, Matruhu. Vitya Bahuvachanam. This is the only difference between Matru and Pitru. Only one difference. Vitya Bahuvachana is different from Pitru Shabda. Pitrun, if you take Pitru, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. Pitaram, Mataram, Pitarau, Matarau, same. But Pitrun, that ends, this is Matruhu Visarga. Dvitiya Bahuvachana done. Matra, Pitra. Matrubhyam, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubihi, Matrubihi. Pitre Chaturthi. Matre, Matrubhyam, Matrubhyaha, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha. Same. Absolutely same now. Even Sambodhana is same. He Pitaha, He Mataha. He Pitaha, He Mataha. The only difference, Eka eva bhedaha tat
स भेदः द्वितीया बहुवचने एव भवति। द्वितीया बहुवचन रूपं मातृशब्दस्य मातृः इति भवति, पितृशब्दस्य द्वितीया बहुवचन रूपं पितॄन् इति भवति। अयमेव भेदः। अथवा मातृपितृयोः विभक्ति रूपेषु न कोऽपि अन्यः भेदः वर्तते। There is no other difference between these two. Remember this. So now you can do that. Matra
नियुज्यमाना रमा पुस्तकं ददाति.
Okay, anything you can say. Pustakam dadati. Matra niyujyamana putri rama prabha, whatever it is, pustakam dadati. Yes. Pakam karoti. Matra niyujyamana putri Rama, Putri Rama, Pakam Karoti, Pachati. Isn't it? So, Niyujyamana is Shanachi, Karmani Shanachi. Passive and Shanachi use. You have to write, not sufficient if you only learn. If you learn only, it will not be sufficient. So, then Ka, what is Ka requirement? Isha. Ichayam, Kartari, Langi. Very simple. Langi means past tense. Ichati, aichat. So you can make a sentence. Very simple, Srinivas.
अहं संस्कृतं पठितुम् ऐच्छामि.
Aicham. Aham Sanskritam Patitum Aicham. Wonderful sentence. I wish to learn Sanskrit. No more wishing now. Now generally we point out fault with all Indian students. Sir, I wanted to tell you. You don't want to. You wanted. You don't want. So you go. That is how students speak English. I wanted to. You wanted. That is not the way. I want to say something. But you express correctly. I wish to learn Sanskrit. Aham Sanskritam Patitum Aicham. Baho kalat purvam aham Sanskritam Patitum Aicham. Idanim sa icha sampanna vartate. Purna vartate. Idanim sa icha purna vartate. Paripurna vartate. Baho kalat purvam aham Aicham. Kim Aicham? Sanskritam Patami iti Aicham. Patitum Aicham. Idanim sa icha purna jata. Okay. Now, any one more sentence? Very simple, na? Classical example. Ravanaha Sitam Ramaya Pratidatum Naichat. Ravanaha Ramaya Sitam Pratidatum Naichat. Na Aichat. Ravana did not wish to return Sita to Rama. Ravanaha Ramaya Sitam Pratidatum na Aichat. Like that you can make several things. Like in the context of Ramayana, Bharataha Rajyam na Aichat. In our context. Bharataha Rajyam na Aichat. Ramam eva Rama Padukke eva Aichat. That also may not be that correct, but okay. Bharataha Rajyam na Aichat. Then Ichayam, Ish, Lang only, Kartari is not there. I mean, simple past tense in the active voice. So, okay, you can also make Sita api Ramena saha vanam gantum aichat. Lakshmanaha api Ramena saha vanam gantum aichat. Lakshmana also wanted to go. Sita also wanted. So, several things. And the last one, Ga, Veera. Oh, Veera. Noun is given here. Very simple. You can make any sentence. Who is the Veera here spoken of in the context? Bharata. So, Bharataha Mahan Veeraha. That's all. Bharataha Mahan Veeraha. Bharataha. Simple sentence. Veeraha Asit. Bharataha Veeraha Asit. Bharataha Mahan Veeraha Asit. Mahabalaha Asit. Bharataha Mahan Veeraha. Veera Shabda should be. You can make Ramaha api Veeraha. Bharataha Veeraha. Lakshmanaha Veeraha.
Then last one, prasadaka. Context.
भरतः रामपादुका प्रसादः
और रामस्य प्रसादकः. भरतः रामस्य प्रसादकः. रामपादुकयोः प्रसादकः. रामपादयोः रामस्य प्रसादकः. Simple. I think भरतः रामस्य प्रसादकः. लक्ष्मणः अपि रामस्य प्रसादकः. So that is how we have done. So we will write sentences, Srinivas. Oh, this is only point is changing. Point number?
का point number 6 का
6. Regular, not this Roman. No?
गुरुना नियुक्ते शिष्यः
One point.
का only.
Oh, under ka only.
गुरुना नियुक्ते
Oh no. What are you doing?
कर्तरि लटि
Kartari lati Guruna doesn't come. Guruhu. Guruhu
शिष्यं
Sishyam Vyakaranam Patitum
नियुक्ते
or Vyakarana Patanartham. One big word. Vyakarana
पठनार्थं
Patanartham.
नियुक्ते
Yunte. This is Kartari Lati. Next,
कर्मणि शानि
that is cow only, na?
नका
Next. Now,
कर्मणि शानि
okay. Now you tell me, Guruna
गुरुना नियुज्यमान
शिष्यः किं करोति?
वेदं
वेदं पठति.
ख
Yeah. What is the direction?
इच्छायां कर्तरि लंघि कर्तरि लंघि
Kartari. Okay. What is the sentence?
अहं संस्कृतं पाठितुम् ऐच्छामि
इच्छायाम कर्तरि लंग. इष धातु श्रीनिवास. अहम संस्कृतं पठितुम् ऐच्छम्. योर ओन सेंटेंस. संस्कृतं पठितुम् I wish to learn Sanskrit. Right. Next, one more sentence you can take. What we made several sentences? Only Isha. Okay. Bharatah contextual. Rajyam Naichat. Na Aichat. Next.
Veera.
Now what? Ga. What direction?
Bharatah.
No, direction. Ga.
There is no direction.
No direction. Okay. Veera Shabda. Adi Veera. You tell me Veera. Veera is to be used. Veera to be used here. Okay. Sentence.
Bharatah.
Mahan Veeraha. Any number of sentences you can make. Next.
Kha.
Okay. Prasad.
Prasadaka.
Prasadakah. Bharatah.
Ramasya.
Anjaneyah.
Api.
Ramasya prasadakah. That way. So just read and pass on.
कर्तव्यति गुरुः शिष्यं व्याकरण पठनार्थं नियुक्ते कर्मणि शानचि गुरुणा नियुज्यमानः शिष्यः वेदं पठति.
We also made one Strilinga sentence. You did not tell me that. Here, Strilinga in that Niyujyamana Matra, you have forgotten. Matra Niyujyamana Rama Pakam Karoti. That also. Yeah, Kartari Langi.
अहं संस्कृतं पठितुम्
Aicham.
भरतः राज्यं
Na Aichat. Ga Veera.
भरतः महान् वीरः घ प्रसादकः भरतः रामस्य प्रसादकः.
प्रसादकः. एतानि तु उदाहरणानि वाक्यानि. एतानि आधारीकृत्य बहूनि वाक्यानि तत्र रचितव्यानि छात्रैः. अभ्यासः करणीयः. संस्कृत वाक्य रचनाभ्यासः करणीयः अवश्यम्. लघु लघु वाक्यानि निर्मातव्यानि. एवं करणेन तत्र भाषा कंठगता भवति, व्याकरणमपि कंठगतं भवति. नेक्स्ट श्रीनिवास श्लोक पठनं.
गत्वा तु स महात्मानं रामं सत्यपराक्रमम् अयाचत् भ्रातरं रामवर्याभावः पुरस्कृतः त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ इति रामं वचोब्रवीत्.
अयाचत, रीड दैट वंस अगेन. अयाचत
अयाचत्
भ्रातरं रामं आर्यभावं भाव पुरस्कृत. आर्य यू सेड. अयाचत भ्रातरं रामं आर्यभाव पुरस्कृतः. पदच्छेदः. गत्वा तु सः महात्मानं रामं सत्य पराक्रमम् अयाचत भ्रातरं रामं आर्यभाव पुरस्कृतः त्वम् एव राजा धर्मज्ञः इति रामं वचः अब्रवीत्. पदपरिचयं पठतु.
गत्वा त्वान्तम् अव्ययम् तु अव्ययम् सः तत् शब्द दकारान्त
सर्वनाम शब्द पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन.
महात्मानं
नकारान्तः पुंलिङ्गः. So what is the prathama of this? This is Dvitiya ekavachana. Mahatma, Mahatmano, Mahatmanah. Mahatmanam, Mahatmano, Mahatmanah. Like Mahatmana, etc.
ओके रामम अकारांत पुल्लिंग द्वितीय अयाचत
याच
इति धातुः कर्तरि
लंग प्रथम पुरुष
एकवचनं भ्रातरं भ्रातृशब्द ऋकारान्तः द्वितीय एकवचनं रामम अकारांत पुल्लिंग आर्यभाव पुरस्कृतः त्वं युष्मदिति शब्दः दकारान्तः दट इज दकारांत नॉट गिवन सर्वनाम शब्द प्रथम एकवचनम् एव अव्ययम् राजा नकारान्तः सॉरी धर्मज्ञः इति अव्ययम् रामम् वचः सकारान्तः नपुंसकलिंग अब्रवीत ब्रू इति धातुः वचनं यस लंग अब्रवीत सेड आकांक्षा पद्धतिमपि पश्यामः कः अयाचत हु आस्क्ड और हु बेग्ड हु रिक्वेस्टेड याच इज टू बेग रिक्वेस्ट आस्क हु रिक्वेस्टेड सह भरतः अयाचत दट भरत रिक्वेस्टेड सह कीदृशः व्हाट टाइप ऑफ भरत वाज ही सह आर्यभाव पुरस्कृतः भरतः मीनिंग्स लेटर विल सी सह कम अयाचत whom did he request
रामम अयाचत
he requested Rama सह कीदृशम रामम अयाचत what type of Rama did he request
महात्मानं रामम अयाचत
the great soul Rama पुनः कीदृशम Rama again what type of Rama did he request
सत्य पराक्रमं रामम
yes Satya Parakramam Rama who was given to truth and valor पुनः कीदृशम रामम
भ्रातरं रामम
brother Rama किम कृत्वा रामम अयाचत saying what did he request
चित्रकूटं गत्वा रामम अयाचत
सः चित्रकूटं गतवान् going to चित्रकूट he requested किम कृत्वा गत्वा अच्छा कुत्र गत्वा रामम अयाचत would have been more better कुत्र गत्वा रामम अयाचत would have been more चित्रकूटं गत्वा अयाचत okay सह अब्रवीत again सह कम अब्रवीत whom did he say
सः रामं अब्रवीत्
whom did he speak to he spoke to Rama सह रामम किम अब्रवीत what did he speak to Rama
सः रामं वचः अब्रवीत्
he spoke to Rama the words he spoke words to his words to the Rama okay सह रामम किम वचः अब्रवीत what words did he speak to Rama
सः रामं त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ इति वचः अब्रवीत्
he told Rama you alone are the virtuous king these words he said अन्वयार्थं पठतु
आर्यभाव पुरस्कृतः सः भरतः गत्वा महात्मानं सत्यपराक्रमं भ्रातरं रामम् अयाचत त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञः इति वचः रामम् अब्रवीत्
सो अन्वयार्थः एवमस्ति आर्यभाव पुरस्कृतः आर्यभावेन पुरस्कृतः सः भरतः गत्वा महात्मानं रामं रामस्य समीपं गत्वा सत्यपराक्रमं भ्रातरं कीदृशं रामं महात्मानं सत्यपराक्रमं भ्रातरं रामम् अयाचत he asked going over to the great soul and was given to truth and valor that brother tvameva you alone raja you alone are the king dharmagnaha the righteous one iti vachaha Rama and he said these words you alone are the right virtuous king I am not fit to be the king that is what he said to his brother atra vayam sthapayama shubham bhuya